This is Allie and Kevin to talk about normal distribution. The length of unicorns' horns are normally distributed with a mean of 16 inches and a standard deviation of 1.5 inches. The first thing we're going to ask you to do is to label the mean and 3 deviations above and below the mean on the graph.
Alright, so on the graph, the middle is going to be the mean, which is 16 inches. And we're going to go 3 deviations to the right and 3 deviations to the left, which are these points on the graph. So to the right will be, we're just going to add 1.5 because that's the deviation. So this point will be 17.5. The next point will be 19. And the last one will be 20.5. To the left, it's going to be 14.5, 13, and 11.5.
The second thing is what percentage of unicorns have horns shorter than 14 inches and longer than 12 inches?
Alright, so to calculate that, you're going to need your calculator. And we're going to go to calculate the normal distribution. We're going to go to second vars, and which is DSTR at the top. And we're going to go down to number 2. And now we're going to enter our left bound, our right bounds, our mean, and our standard deviation. So our left bound, so back to the original problem, first is how many are less than 14 inches. So for the left bound, it's going to be less than 14. So we're just going to put in a really small number, which is, let's say negative 9,999. Our right bound, which is going to be our top point to the right, is 14 inches. So right bound will be 14. Now our mean is 16 inches, which is back in the original problem. And our standard deviation is 1.5. When we calculate that, we get an answer of 0.091. So we want to find a percent, so we're just going to move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and our answer is going to be 9%. Now to the next one, we're going to do the same thing, but just different numbers. So second vars, down to 2, and now we're looking for what's longer than 12 inches. So our lower is going to be 12, and the upper is going to be a large number, so let's use 9,999. Our mean, once again, is 16, and the standard deviation is 1.5. So when we enter that into the calculator, we get 9.996. So move the decimal to get our percent, and our answer is 99%.
All right, thanks for watching.